Microsuction earwax removal is one of the most effective ways to remove earwax and clean your ears in Hastings. The process is very simple, and it's painless. It does not require any anesthesia or surgical procedures. What is microsuction earwax removal, Hastings? It is an easy way to remove earwax from your ears. It is a technique that uses medical suction, basically a regulated, low-pressure vacuum, a microscope and special instruments to suck out the wax. How does microsuction earwax removal work? You will need to have your ears cleaned by an audiologist, who is trained and certified in microsuction earwax removal so that you can have the earwax removed. The audiologist will then use medical suction and a tiny 2 mm suction tube while looking into your ear with a stereoscopic microscope to remove the earwax. Where can I get microsuction earwax removal, Hastings? The best place for microsuction earwax removal, Hastings, can be found at Hastings, Microsuction earwax removal, Hastings. Station Plaza Health Center, Station Approach, Hastings TN34 Phone, 01424541418. For directions to microsuction earwax removal, Hastings, click here. tinyurl.com/ear-wax-removal-Hastings. What happens at your microsuction earwax removal appointment? You will be able to talk to a professional audiologist about the procedure. They will explain how the suction works, and they will give you instructions on what to do during the procedure. Stay still and say stop if you want the audiologist to stop. They will also answer any questions you may have. At your appointment, you will lie down in a comfortable position, and the clinician will use medical suction and a sterile suction tube to remove the wax from your ears. He or she may also remove the wax with a Jobson horn probe, Cawthorne hook or crocodile forceps, which are specially designed ENT instruments for earwax removal. Once the wax is gone, you will be given advice on how to reduce earwax buildup in future. What should I expect from my microsuction earwax removal experience? When you have your ears cleaned, you will hear a whooshing sound from the air going through the machine. As the machine is sucking the wax through a small tube, it can sound like someone slurping soup, or drinking a milkshake noisily through a straw. Some people say it sounds like tiny fireworks going off, or like budgerigas or parrots calling to each other. In any case, if you have sufficiently softened your earwax, the process should be painless. If your earwax is a bit stuck, the audiologist may use ENT instruments, which are specially designed for removing earwax. If so, you may feel some pressure or a tugging sensation. However, the best feeling is relief when all the earwax is out and you can hear again. So book with us today.